வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டேர்ம் 3 சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் ஃபஸ்ட் லெசன் டேக்ஸ் அண்ட் இட்ஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ். அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸை நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம் வித் ஆன்சர்ஸோட. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். Tax or dash payment? The option B, compulsory payment, is the correct answer. Minimum possible amount should be spent in the collection of taxes is dash. The option C, canon of economy, is the correct answer. This taxation is a very opposite of progressive taxation. The option C, regressive, is the correct answer. Income tax is a dash. The option A, direct tax, is a correct answer. Which tax is raised on provision of service? The option D, service, is the correct answer. Next one, filling the blanks. Dash is a term for when a taxing authority, usually the government, levies or imposes a taxation. Dash is the method where the rate of tax is same regardless size of income. Proportional taxation. Dash is paid to the government by the recipient of gift depending on the value of gift tax. Dash tax burden cannot be shifted by taxpayers. Direct. Indirect tax is dash elastic, more elastic. Next one, match the following. கொஷின் உங்களுக்கு மேலே கொடுத்துருக்கேன், அதுக்கான கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் நான் உங்களுக்கு கீழே கொடுத்துருக்கேன். பிரின்சிபல் ஆஃப் டாக்ஸேஷன் ஆடம் ஸ்மித். எஸ்டேட் டேக்ஸ், டைரக்ட் டேக்ஸ். எக்ஸைஸ் டேக்ஸ், இன்டைரக்ட் டேக்ஸ். 01/07/2017 கூட்ஸ் அண்ட் சர்வீஸ் டேக்ஸ். டைரக்ட் டேக்ஸ், லெஸ் எலாஸ்டிக். Next one, odd one out. Which one of the following is not a indirect tax? Estate duty is the option C, is the correct answer. Next one, correct one out. Which one of the following tax is a direct tax? The option B, a wealth tax, is a correct answer. Next one, answer the following. Define tax. Tax are defined as a compulsory contribution from a person to the government to defray the expenses incurred in the common interest of all without reference to special benefit conferred. Why taxes are imposed? Everybody is obliged by law to pay tax. Total tax money goes to government exchequer. Appointed government decides that how are tax being spent and how the budget is organized. Write name of taxation types and draw its diagram. Taxation types. There are four types of taxation: proportional tax, progressive tax, regressive tax, and degressive tax. Fourth question, write any three importance of tax: health, education, governance. Fifth question, what are the types of tax and its explained? First, direct tax. Direct tax is a tax whose burden is direct borne by the person one whom it is imposed, that is burden cannot be shifted to others. Indirect tax, when liability to pay a tax is a one person and the burden of tax shifted to some other person. This type of tax is called an indirect tax. Write short note on gift tax and service tax. Gift tax is paid to the government by the recipient of gift depending on the value of gift. Service tax Service tax is raised on provision of service. This tax is collected from the service recipients and paid to the central government. What is goods and service tax? Goods and service tax is the kind of tax imposed on sale, manufacturing and usage of goods and services. This tax is applied on services and goods at the national level with the purpose of achieving overall economic growth. Eighth question, difference between direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax burden cannot be shifted by taxpayers. Tax is imposed on personal income and corporate income. Direct tax has no inflation pressure. The impact and incidence are the same in case of direct tax. Direct tax is less elastic. Indirect tax easily be shifted to another person. Tax imposed on various goods and services. Tax has inflation pressure. Indirect tax is more elastic. Next one, answer the following in detail. Principles of taxation. Canon of equality. The government should impose tax in such a way that people have to pay according to their ability. Does not mean equal amount of tax, but it means that the burden of tax must be fair and just. Canon of certainty. Certainty creates confidence in the taxpayers, cost of collection of tax, and increase economic welfare because it tends to avoid all economic waste. Canon of convenience. Taxes should be levied and collected in such a manner that provides a maximum of convenience to the taxpayers. Should always keep in a view that the taxpayers suffer the least inconvenience in payment of tax. Canon of economy. Minimum possible money should be spent in the collection of taxes. Collected amount should be deposited in the government treasury. Explain the taxation types. There are four types of taxation: proportional, progressive, regressive, degressive. First one, proportional. Proportional taxation is the method where the rate of tax same regardless size of the income. The tax amount realized will vary in the same proportion as that of income. If the tax rate is 5% on income, Mr. X getting an income rupees 1000. Progressive taxation is a method by which the rate of tax will increase with the increase of income of the person. Of case of progressive taxation, if the person with the rupees 1000 income per annum pay the tax of 10%. Regressive taxation, it implies that higher the rate of tax furrow income groups, that in the case of higher income groups is the very opposite to progressive taxation. Importance of tax. Tax are crucial because government collect this money and use its finance under the following social projects. First, health. Without tax, government contribution to the health sector would be impossible. Taxes go to funding health services such as social health care, medical research, social security, etc. Education. Education could be one of the most deserving recipients of tax money. Governments put a lot of importance in the development of human capital and education in certain central in this development. Governance. Governance is a crucial component in the smooth running of country affairs. Poor governance would have a far-reaching ramifications on the entire country with a heavy toll on its economic growth. Good governance ensures that the money collected is utilized in a manner that benefits citizens of a country. Other important sectors are infrastructure development, transport, housing, etc. Apart from social projects, government also use money collected from taxes to fund sectors that are crucial for the well-being of the citizens such as security, scientific research, environmental protection, etc. Some of the money is also channeled to fund projects such as pension, unemployment benefits, childcare, etc. Explain the direct and indirect tax. Direct tax. Direct tax is a tax whose burden is directly borne by the person on whom it is imposed. That is, burden cannot be shifted to others. It is deducted to source from the income of a person who is taxed. Income tax is a direct tax because the person whose income is taxed is liable to pay the tax directly to the government via the burden of the tax himself. Example, corporation tax, wealth tax, estate tax. Indirect tax, on the other hand, when liability to pay the tax is one person and the burden of the tax shifted on some other person, this type of tax is called indirect tax. Indirect tax is a tax whose burden can be shifted to others. For example, service tax, sales tax, excise duty, entertainment tax. Why need for the tax on people welfare and explain it. The levying of tax aims to raise revenue to fund governing to the alter prices in order to affect demand. Some of these include expenditures or economy infrastructure like in transportation, sanitation, public health safety, education, healthcare system, etc. Military, scientific research, culture and arts, public works, public insurance, etc. And the other operation of government self. When expenditures exceed tax revenue, a government accumulates debt. A portion of taxes may be used for service past debts. Government also use taxes to fund welfare and public services. These services can include education system, pension for the elderly, unemployment benefits, and public transportation. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்கான புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் நான் உங்களுக்கு அப்லோட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை சேனல்.